Hello guys, this is Srinivas, the developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKIDMARK Daily Challenge of 29 June 2021. Here this is the problem they have given. Function custom separator. We should get number n and a number of string inputs and also a separator. We should separate those values with this given separator like day hyphen, month hyphen, year hyphen and weekday, like that. This separator should be vary according to the function. Let's see in a programmatic way. Here this is the code they have given. They have get the value for n and also they have passed the n string inputs and they have called this custom separator function. We should create this function and we should define all those values which will return the custom separated values. For that I need something called a character array. This should be a dynamic array because they have used those values equal to m malloc of. For this malloc we need to typecast the size or space, right? Character array malloc of size of character array into 101 into n. Since this is a two-dimensional array, we need to specify those values, which is nothing but n and 101 for the character array. And then we need to run a loop for n minus 1 time, because if we run the loop for n times, we will get a hyphen b hyphen c hyphen d also hyphen. We don't need this hyphen, right? So I'm just running up to c and then finally I'm appending the d value. Int I equal to 0, I smaller than n minus 1 and I'm incrementing the I value. Now it's time to concatenating the string with the words of I or words, and then we need to concat the separator. This is a character, but for string concatenation we need a character array. We can't able to or simply append a character with string concat, but don't worry guys, we have string n concat. This function will concat the value with a specified number of characters. Here we just need a single character, so I specify 1 here. Finally we need to concat the words of n minus 1 and then I'm returning string. So if I save and run this program, we got something. Yeah, I have forgotten to mention string. This is a source without destination, so that's why we are getting a error like that. Here I'm passing 4 values a, b, c and d. Here this is a separator hyphen. We got p here, right? This p is nothing but some kind of garbage value, because malloc doesn't have the property of putting default null values. So for that we need something else, which is nothing but a clog, and the syntax of clog is not multiplication, that's just a comma separated value. So if we use clog, we won't get any garbage value at the first. So here the concatenation will be happen with the empty string, so we will get the proper output. Here I am passing a 4 A B C D with a hyphen. We got A B C D in a proper format. That's it guys. That's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. We'll see you soon with something else tomorrow. Until then, bye. If you are getting some hidden test cases, just change this character into int or float, because this should happen because of uh, kind of informal space, like they have said something but they have used some kind of spaces. To get rid of that, you can change this character into integer or float.